You know, recently there was a trending news about South ADC coalition leaders has endorsed Rotimi Amechi as their presidential candidate of ADC going to 2027 presidential election. Then today, the leaders of obedience in Delta State, Chief Biosun, has clarified that statement that it is a very fake news. Although Rotimi Amechi in the meetings of the South coalition leaders, he has expressed his desire to contest for 2027 election, while Chief George Oyengu in his remarks he wanted to show concern about the presidential ambition of their beloved son. They wanted to make an endorsement, but they put aside that communication for now. This is what Chief Chris Biosun has said, the leaders of Obedient in the Delta State. You understand? He has clarified that statement that nobody announced Rotimi Amechi as the South coalition leaders presidential candidate. That is, nobody endorsed it. Although people have to understand that if the South coalition leaders endorse Rotimi Amechi as their presidential candidate, it's normal and it's well understandable because first of all, you have to go back to the root. Politics is a game of interest, and the best interest for the South people in the coalition is Rotimi Amechi because Rotimi Amechi is their beloved son. He comes from the region. So the interest of the regions matters a lot because charity begins at home. For Rotimi Amechi to receive endorsement for any region in the country, first and foremost, his people have to give him endorsement or voted for him before any other thing. So you cannot overlook a man who comes from one of the most popular and the most well-resourced state in that region, Rivers State. Out of the 6 states in South, Rivers State, where Rotimi Amechi come from, is the biggest of all, and they have their own son who is also going to inspire or aspire for the presidential election. So they must first of all endorse him. It's well understood. It must not be Obiora Atiku, you know that thing. We have to understand this from perspective that okay, everybody is fighting for their own region, just like the southeast and the northeast. That's the same thing with the south. So what do you think about this? The comment section is